In this demo, I'll show you how the CDISC Open Rules AI assistant can help validate SDTM datasets using natural language. I'll ask the assistant to write a simple but important rule in the demographics domain. Here, I'm asking it to write a rule to check if a subject is a screen failure, that there should be no reference start date populated. The assistant refines my question, and as you can see, it correctly uses the DM domain with variables ARMCD and RFSTTC. Let's confirm the rule is correct and move on. Now, the assistant asks a few follow-up questions to make sure the rule is high quality. Instead of writing custom YAML myself, the assistant creates the YAML code for me. If you look at the rule logic inside the check element, you'll see it correctly triggers if ARMCD equals screen failure and RFSTTC is not populated. Next, the assistant suggests generating test data, exactly what I need to validate the rule. You can see the test data now, created based on the validation template provided by CDISC, with both passing and error cases. Now it's your turn. Try it out yourself.